Holy right on question 2 and I didn't even read the question. This is so embarrassing. God, my maths teacher is going to be so ashamed of this. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Shane. In today's video, we're doing something a bit different, and that is the GCSE exams for high level mathematics, and I'm doing the 2018 past paper. This is pretty much like the equivalent of Australia's year 11, so it should hopefully not be too hard considering I did do extension 2 mathematics in high school, but it has been like 4 or 5 years now, so I might have forgotten everything, but let's give it a shot and see how I go. So let's get started. This is the 2018 paper, and let's go. Alright, question 1. Work out the value of 3 to the power 7 times 3 to the negative 2 over 3 over 3. Okay. Not too hard, so that's just 3 to the 7 minus 2 minus 3, which is 3 squared, which equals to 9. This is like year 7 stuff. Alright, question 2. So work out the value of v. Okay, so we're just subbing in numbers once again. V squared equals to 12 squared plus 2 times negative 3 times 18, which equals 144 minus 6 times 18 equals to 48, 108. 144 minus 108 equals to 36. Okay. Hopefully I don't make any silly mistakes because I'm doing this live and it will look pretty stupid, but anyways, let's see how it goes. Okay, make S the subject. So 2as equals to v squared minus u squared. S equals to v squared minus u squared on 2a. How many marks is that? This is 6 marks already. And I've spent just over a minute. Okay, this doesn't seem very hard at all, but maybe it gets harder. We'll see. Okay, a bonus of £2,100 is shared by 10 people who work for a company. 40% of the bonus is shared equally between 3 managers. The rest is shared between salesmen. One of the salesmen says, if the bonus is shared equally, I'll get 25% more money. Okay, so first let's calculate how much they actually get. So 2100 times 0.4 is the amount shared to the managers, which is 880, because 21 times 4 is 880, and that is between 3m. So the rest is 210 times 0.6, which equals to 1 to 60. Okay, wait, yeah, 840. Yeah, I can't even do basic maths, but yeah, that should add up to 2100. 2100 times 0.6 is 1260 divided by 7 for per person, per salesman. That is, wow, it's been so long since I've done division without a calculator. Okay, so one there, so 56 left over, that's 8, so 180. 180 per salesman. Now, if it was just shared between 10 people equally, then if 10 people equally, he would get £210. So 30 over 180 is, well, it's clearly not 25%, but that's 1 over 6, so it's, how much is that now? 16.67%? Yeah, that's right. So they did not obviously get 25% more money, so therefore salesman not correct. Okay, that was 5 marks and I'm still only on 4 minutes. So take 120 minutes to fill a swimming pool using water from 5 taps. How many minutes to take if only 3 taps are used? So assuming 5 taps equally, so 1 tap in 120 minutes filled, that means it would have filled 1/5 of the pool. So how do we get it to 3? Like, it's pretty obvious, but like I'm just trying to see if I can explain it. 1/5 of the pool. So in 1 minute, it would fill 1/120 times 5, which is 720. 1/720. 3 taps would fill 3/720, which is 1/240. So this is just some mental maths going on to get that. So that means it would take, seem right? Oh my, 120 times 5 is 600. So 3/600, which is 1/200. So that means it would be 200 minutes. Wow, I'm pretty rusty. I bet if my maths teacher from high school saw this, they'd be pretty ashamed of me right now. Okay, let's say one assumption you made in your working out. Okay, so that was just all taps fill at same speed. No tap is faster. Like, my handwriting is really messy right now, but like it's not an actual exam that's being marked, so it doesn't really matter. Plane travels at a speed of 213 miles per hour. Just use kilometers, but okay. Write out an estimate for the number of seconds it takes a plane to travel 1 mile. Okay, so how many? Okay, so 213 miles in 3600 seconds, right? So at 1 hour there's 60 minutes. In 1 minute there's 60 seconds. So that would just be. So we're dividing 1 mile, okay? Divided by 213 for the number of seconds. Oh, another long division. I don't see a point of the test. It's just doing stuff we did in year 3 and year 4, but it's just been so long. Okay, so that's 1. There, 2, 1, 3. 10 minus 3 is 7. 5, 4, 1, 4, 7, 0. Divided by 213. So that is, work out an estimate. So that seems about 17 seconds, right? Because 2 times 7 is 14. Let's just double check. 213 times 7, 1, 2, 7, 9, 14, 91. Okay, so just under 17 seconds. So, but it is very close. So, I don't know. How many decimal places should I leave this to? I mean, it's only 4 marks. Oh, okay. Underestimate, overestimate. So 17 seconds. And overestimate. Since on 2 and 3 is closer to is 16 point something. Is greater than, is less than 17. How do I explain this? 213 times 17 is greater than 3600. But okay, I'm not sure if that's what they're looking for, but that's what I'm going to put. Okay, we're up to question 6. Solve the simultaneous equation. Okay, yeah, this is what we learned in year 7 from Australia. Wow, I really wish I did high school in the UK now. So using the second equation, we get x is equal to 3y plus 9. So 5, 3y plus 9 plus y equals to 21. 15y plus 45 plus y equals to 21. 16y equals to negative 24, y equals to negative 1.5, right? Okay, and then that means x using that equation is equal to 4.5. So double check 4.5 minus 4.5 is 9, yep. 5 times 4.5, check. 5 times 4.5 minus 1.5 equals to 22.5 minus 1.5 equals to 21. Yep, okay. So x equals to 4.5, y equals to negative 1.5. Oh, the time. Okay, only 10 minutes. Diagram shows a square, a circle, a semicircle. Okay, probably finding the area. Oh, okay. AB is diameter, AC is the arc. Okay. Area of shaded region over area of square. Okay, area of square is easy, which is just 20 squared. Area of shaded region is ACB, that quarter, which is, so the R is pi r squared on 4, since we're taking a quarter only, which is pi times 20 squared on 4. And then, I forgot area of, so that's not the shaded region, that is the quarter circle. Area of small hemisphere. The hemisphere or semicircle? Is pi r squared on 2, which is pi times 10 squared on 2. So area of shaded region, remember we're trying to look for that, pi of 8. Area of shaded region is that one minus that one, so pi 20 squared on 4 minus 10 squared on 2, which is pi 20 squared on 4 minus 20, we doubled that times 4 and then times the bottom by 4 as well, 2 times 4, so that is just pi 20 squared on 8. So area shaded on area square is then just pi 20 squared on 8. See, I deliberately manipulated that to try to get this over 20 squared, so that just pi over 8. Yep, got that. Next question. Write down the exact value of tan 45. Okay, so oh my god, I actually forgot this. Tan is this over that, so tan 45 is 1. Okay, here's the right angle triangle, cos 60 equals 0.5. Work out the value of x. Oh, okay, so, well, 4 over x equals to cos 60, so it's 0.5. 4 equals to 0.5x, x equals to 8. Okay, this is a lot easier than I expected. I might have to do the A levels next time. Alright, question 9. How many questions are there? So 10. Oh, okay, I think it will get harder. Wow, there's a lot of questions actually. Alright, back to it. The time that 48 trains left the station on Monday were recorded. Gives the number of minutes the trains were delayed correct to the nearest minute. Okay. The shortest delay was 0, the longest delay was 42. Okay, where's 42? Okay, so at that point, okay. Draw a box plot for the information about the delays on Monday. Huh. So it's not linear, so there were a lot here. There were a lot short delays. Okay, so it starts at 0 and it ends at 42. So it was 42 is here. Kind of forgot how to draw a box plot now. Oh, okay, so now there's this, okay, it's 48, which means the first quarter is at 12. So that is here at 4 minutes delayed. So that matches to this. And what about 24? That is matching to 10-minute delay. Okay, it looks kind of what we're looking for. And then 36. So, yeah, because each quarter, right? 0, 12, 24, 36, 48. 36 is here at 20 minutes delayed. Okay, so that is kind of the box plot, I reckon. I think that's how I do a box plot. Kind of forgot. Okay, yeah, what's that for? Okay, so there's more parts to this. Compare the distribution of the delays on Monday with the distribution. Whoa. I don't know, what can I say? Monday spread further apart. This is one of those BS questions that we kind of have to do in some maths tests. On average, it was longer. Ooh. Longer delays. What else can I say? Max, min, roughly is still very similar. I don't know what kind of this is looking for. Like, I've never done a question like this before. Mary says the longest delay on Tuesday was 33 minutes. Yep. This means there must have been some delays between 25 and 30 minutes. No. No. Because what's the reason? Like, there could have been a lot of 33 minutes. There could have been a lot of 33, but no in between 25 and 30. So there were a lot like at this point, and a lot of this point, but none 0 here, I guess. Simplify x minus 1 over, so it's just 1 over 5 x minus 1. 1, I don't know if it wants me to expand. 1 over 5 x minus 5. Yeah, okay. Factorize fully, 50 minus 2. Oh, okay, so 2, 25 minus y squared, 2, 5 minus y, 5 plus y. Yeah, this isn't as hard as I really expected it would be. But question 11 now. Jack and Sadie work for a company that sells boxes of breakfast cereal. Company wants to have a special offer. Here's Jack's idea for special offer. And do not change the price. Reduce the price and do not change the amount of cereal in each box. Sarah wants her idea to give the same value for money as Jack's idea. By what percentage does she reduce the price? Okay, so assume 100% of cereal for X dollars initially. So Now 125% for x is equivalent to 100% for y dollars. So in this case, we divide by 1.25. So that would give us then 100% to match what we're looking for. And x divided by 1.25, x, okay, so percentage, okay, divided by 5/4, so it is 0.8, which is 80%, right? So this is, if we flip that up, equals to 4/5x, which equals to 0.8x, so 20% reduction. Because now for the same price, without the same amount of cereal, the discount would be at 80%, so it's a 20% reduction. Question 12. Okay. Oh, show all working. ABC point and circumference, circle O, DA is tangent to circle A. Okay, circle geometry, let's go. Kind of forgot the formulas, but angle BAE is 56, CBO is 35. CBO, okay. CAO. What's CAO? Okay, so this is what we're looking for. How do I do this? Okay, so angle between tangent is equal to opposite angle. What's the formula? What's the theory again? This angle is equal to that angle, I remember. So BCA equals to, I know how to work it out now, equals to 56 degrees. Tangent angle equals to opposite angle. What? I can't remember the formula, so not too sure on that. But that's 56, that's 35. Okay, crap. Now, I was not right in thinking. Okay, so BOA equals to 2 times 56 equals to 112. Angle at center equals to 2 angle at circumference. So then we also have those two angles. Okay, I can't be bothered like writing out the theory for this. So that those two are 180 minus 112 on 2, since those two are equal because radii are equal. Like it's only 3 marks, so 68 on 2 equals to 34. Wait, actually, did I even need to work that out? Okay, I did. So angle sum BAC is equal to 180 equals to 56 plus 35 plus 2 times 34 plus CAO, which is, so 180 equals to, oh, I can't believe I'm not allowed a calculator, plus 3 times 35 approximately, so 103 plus CAO, 159 equals to 21 degrees, because angle sum of that, and there we go. Question 13. Describe fully the single transformation that maps triangle A to triangle. Oh, I don't remember how to do this. I mean, it's just like it's either rotated 180 or like what's it flipped on? Rotate 180. What's the single transformation though? mean, it's clearly at this point 4, 4. What does it mean by like transformation? And the size of it is a third. I don't know. Times 1/3 and rotate 180. Okay, this is a complete guess. I don't know what they're looking for. Never done it before. Okay. Okay, work out the value of 16 on 81. So yeah, this is not too hard. 16 on 81 to the power of 3 on 4 is equal to 2 to the power of 4 on 3 to the power of 4 to the power of 3 on 4, which equals to, cancels out, 2 to the power of 3 on 3 to the power of 3 equals to 8 on 27. Yeah, that has working. So work out the value of a plus b plus c. Okay. So 3 to a plus b plus c is equal to them times together, which is 1 on 9 times 9 root 3 times 1 on root 3, which equals to 1. So a plus b plus c equals to 0. Very good. Question 15. 3 solid shapes A, B, and C are similar. Surface area is 4. Surface area is B. Looks like a square. Ratio of volume. Ooh. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So it's a cube. Wait. Yeah. It's a cube. Yeah. That's a square proportion. 2 and 5 and length. Ratio of shape B to volume of shape C is 27, so it's 3 cubed and 4 cubed. Is that right? 4 times 4 times 4, yep. Ratio of height of A to the height of C. Okay, so height A to B is 2 to 5. Height B to C is equal to 3 to 4, because 3 cubed and 4 cubed. So that means A to C is equal to, this is, we'll just make it easy, 15 to 20, which equals to times 3, so 6 to 15 is 6 to 20, which is equal to 3 to 10. Oh, prove algebraically that this can be written as that. Okay, so this is equal to 0 to 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6, which equals to 0.2 plus 0.056. Okay, it's been a while since I did this. Okay, let 0.05656 equal to x. So that is okay, how does this work? X on 100. Okay, okay, so that is, yeah, so these two are equal, equate these two now. So just comparing these two equations to get this. Let's do x 99, x on 100. So x equals to 5.6 on 99. So that means okay, so yeah. Yeah, then we just equals to 99 plus 5 times 5.6 on 495, which should, I'm not even going to bother calculating 127 on 495, assume what I've done is right. Okay, we're 30 minutes in. Okay, nearly there. My throat is pretty dead though. Okay, so I'm still stuck on this problem 21. OAB is a triangle. OP to PM. What? Oh, OP to PM. No. ON to NB is what we're looking for. Why? Like, it's not even similar. What? ON to NB. How the heck do I do this? Do I do it by area? No. Look for similar triangles. So wait, that's not even necessarily similar. No, that's not even right. M is the midpoint of AB. OPM, APN are straight lines. If it has A and B in the result, then I'm going to be very annoyed. But, do I draw another line through this? But like, you don't even know where this ends up. Oh. Yeah, no you don't. Okay, I don't know this one. I'll just put a big F here, and we'll just skip it for now and move on to the last question. Which is question 22, and we're 45 minutes in. So, there are only green pens and blue pens in a box. There are 3 more blue pens and green pens in the box. There are more than 12 pens in the box. Okay. Probability that Simon will take 2 pens of the same color is 27 on 55. Work out the number of green pens in the box. Okay, this is very doable. So let's say there's n pens in box. We know n is greater than 12. And let's say there's b blue pens. And let's say G green pens. So B plus G equals to N, and we also know we can remove these from the equation. We know that B equals to 3 plus G because there's 3 more blue than green. So replace that with N minus B. 2B equals to N plus 3. B equals to N plus 3 on 2. G is equal to n minus n plus 3 on 2, which is n on 2 minus n minus 3 on 2, okay? So it takes 2 pens of the same color. Okay, now we have this to work out B and G. So that would be our second simultaneous equation. So 2 pens of the same color is blue and blue or green and green. So let's say it's blue and blue first. Then we have so n plus 3 on 2 on n, and the second one is green as well, n minus 1, and then there's one less, so n plus 1 on 2. This is blue, and green is it's 5 on 2 times n minus 1. So there's first one and second one. So this gives us n squared plus 4n plus 3, and this is all over 2n n minus 1 plus n squared minus 8n plus 15 equals 2. Okay, so that's good. To n squared 2 cancels out, so minus 4n plus 18 minus 1, which is okay, so n times n minus 1 is 55. Okay, so what are the 10 and 11? So that's the only possibility. Okay. Okay. Yeah, they're one apart, so n times n minus 1 is a number like 10 and 11, because they're one apart, so we have equals to, so that means, which is, 110, 55 times 2, so you get n is 11, so 121 minus 22 plus 9 is that right? 108. Yeah. Not now. 108 on 110. Huh. I must have done some. Oh, okay. On 4. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. On 2. Yeah. So that equals 2. The 2's still there, so 220, which is equal to 27 on 55. N is equal to 11. Wait, what the heck? This is where it gets me. There are more than 12 pence in the box. Huh. So what else? 55 times 3 is 165. 5 and 2. So 5, 11. What else can it be? No. Well, that is the formula. So 165. It must be divisible by n minus 1. What? Okay, these last few questions are a lot harder than the first few questions, that's for sure. Hopefully I can get at least one of these. So 55, let's see. So it can be 11, 10, unless the top is divisible by 11. That would be a pain though. So it's n minus 1 squared plus 8. So squared plus 8, that's divisible by 11. What could that be? Huh. One, 3, 2, so last number. So there's more than 12 pens in the box, so what? Okay, so it has to be 11 and 12, but then there's a 5 there as well. 10. What's the next multiple? 20, so 44 and 9? 44 and 45. Could that be it? That probably is it. So n is 45 and n minus 1 is 44. So 45 squared is equal to 4 times 5 plus 25. So 22.5 minus 2 times, okay, there's a lot of working out. That's why I have so much. Minus 2 times minus 90 plus 9. Okay, over 45 times 44, so 9 times 220 times 4 at the bottom, because I forgot that in the equation. So yeah, the 2's there. So 118, then 1980 times 2. Is that right? And what's the top again? 1935 plus 9. 1944 on 1980. Is that? And that is a factor of so it's just under half. That seems about right. If that is right, then I have the answer. So does this equal to 27 on 55? So what is the factor here? 1944 divided by 36. This is 4, 5, yeah, 180. Oh, it does work. 144 is 4 of those. Yep, 54. Sweet. So n is 45, and that was found from, it has to be a combination of 5 and 11. 1 of 5 and 1 and 11, and the difference is 1. And it was more than 12. So n is 45. That means the number of green is n minus 3 on 2, which is 21. Yeah. So the final answer is a bit messy here, but that's 21. So that just leaves the last question, which I didn't get, which is question 21. Oof, okay. All I have is that's A and that is B. And I want the ratio. But n is not the midpoint, necessarily. But technically I should have an answer. Is this similar to this? No. I'm gonna guess 2 to 3, but I mean, yeah, I don't know how to do this one. So that's the last one, last question. I think I got most of the rest, unless there were like 1 or 2 markers that I didn't get. I did finish question 17, which was just subbing these 2 numbers into the equation and solving for the 2 unknowns A and B. So 2 equations, 2 unknowns, you can get that. And 18 was some graphing. So one of them I drew the graph, and one of them I put a negative sign there. And 19 was, yeah, a function manipulation and another function manipulation, and 20 was just factorizing and rationalizing the denominator. So those are the questions that I've all done. I'll just go and mark it now and double check the answers with my marking sheet that I have here and work out what it is. So I'm just going to pretty much just look at the answers, and like if the answer's right, I'll like mark it correct, because like in terms of working, I don't know exactly how they want us to lay it out, and I've never done it before, but yeah, if I assume I have the answer right, then I'm just going to assume that I can do the working out for it if I actually did know how to do it. So answer's 9, yep, 6 or minus 6. Holy right on question 2, and I didn't even read the question. This is so embarrassing. Oh, and I was always like saying it was easier. So, oh my god, my maths teacher is gonna be so ashamed of this. Yeah, which is correct. So in total, out of 80, I lost 5 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 is 72 out of 80. So I don't know what that is, but I'll get back and quickly check what is that good or bad. I actually do not know, but I'm gonna see what like the average mark kind of is, and yeah, let's get back to it. Okay, so doing a little bit of digging, I later found out that the 72 out of 80 is 90%, and that is roughly either a grade 8 or a grade 9 in terms of the GCSE for the higher tier mathematics. A grade 8 is 85% plus, and grade 9 is 90% plus demonstrates creative use of relevant mathematics to solve an unfamiliar problem, or use of mathematics to provide an answer to an ambiguous problem. So I'm not too sure. I didn't get one of the questions, and I lost a few marks from silly mistakes in the first few questions. So yeah, I don't know if this isn't like a formal grade or anything, but just based on a rough estimate and guide from like some educated guesses by teaching experts, it says. But do let me know what you guys got, if you did the same paper or you did similar GCSEs, and like let me know if there was anything wrong with like the way I marked it or the way I gave myself a grade in the end. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more of this kind of format of videos later on in the future, definitely let me know in the comments. If you want me to do some other exams, for example, maybe I might have a go at the A-levels next time, or some American SATs, and give that a try. Or maybe I'll just redo my HSC mathematics. That might be in one of the later videos. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up down below, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.